So some people are asking me, how did I get my hair last night when I went out? So I tongued it, and what I did was this. Basically, you want to grab sections that are about an inch. So I've got a real croaky voice today. An inch wide, okay? And I'm just starting here. I'm not doing all the underneath. I haven't got time for that. So I put it on top of the hair, and then I wrap it round. And as I wrap it round, I twist as I wrap it, okay? That gives it a wave rather than a curl. And I do just jig it up and down because I don't want to keep it in one area to burn any of the hair or anything. I'm using the GHD curve. This is the original curve. Do that again. And I just go round the head doing this each time, okay? So when I get to this side though, let me just do one more here. So wrap that. I'm only holding it on there for about 5 seconds. Look, you can kind of, this is all real time. Okay, so now when I get round to this side, look at my funny little bit there, look. What I do is I put it under the hair and I fold it backwards. You always want, from the front, you always want to go away from the face. It's much more flattering than doing a curl coming inwards, okay? I'll sort that little bit out in a minute. Poke it up there. So on this side, so this is my right side, I go under the hair, twist it around, keep the ends out. I'm not wrapping the ends in because I want a kind of sharp look. I don't want a twee sort of curly whirly look. Okay, do it again. That's it, like that. Right, and you do that all the way around the hair. I'll come back in a minute, I'm just going to do the back. Right, so I've done underneath and I've just dropped the next section. And I just do the same, okay? So I do the same underneath on the right-hand side and on top on the left-hand side. Just going around it like that. And drop. And you can see that's a wave rather than a curl. And because those ends are out, it looks a bit more modern. So underneath, keep wrapping and twisting. You kind of twist your wrist as you do it. Give it a jiggy up and down, and then you've got that wave, right? Now, you leave that to cool before you start running your fingers through it or anything. Okay, now this side that I've dropped. Now this side, remember, it goes on top and back. That's what gets people confused. And they always say, oh, I can do one side, but not the other side. It's because they're trying to do both sides the same way. And it's not, it's different. So on top of the hair, twist, okay? The other side, remember, is going under the hair and twisting. Like that. And then that one there. Like that. Really doesn't need long on that tongue at all, look, just to get that nice wave. Right, and then the top, I kind of just decide what I want to do. I'm splitting that this way. And first, I just kind of see where that wants to drop. All right, so this one wants to go this way. So on top, you kind of follow your own hair pattern. And this one, yeah, that's that way as well. So on top. Right, now when you get down to the front is always the bit where people go, oh, I don't know what to do here. So I split this into smaller sections, actually. And I kind of decide as I'm going along. So this one definitely needs to go this side because it's that side of my head. So I'm putting it on top of the hair, taking it back like that, right? And then this, I kind of just see where this is falling today. Some days that splits up and just goes that way, but it obviously wants to go this way today. So I'm going to keep it going that way. Right, so I'm going to split this up. Now this bit's a little bit shorter, so let's just move that out of the way for a minute. And let's just get that area there that's still straight. So I just do this in smaller sections. So I've got a little bit more control about where I place the front hair, okay? Now you don't want to keep this on the front hair too long at all because this is really delicate, this hair. It burns easily and snaps. Okay, now I'm going to take the next section, smaller still. Just grab that bit there. And let's take that bit back. Okay, and then that one there, let's just see where that's going to go. No, it is going to go that way. So I'm going to put that one there as well and take it back. Right, now once you've done all of that, turn the tongue off. I just give it a little spray, always from underneath, not on top where you're going to flatten the hair. Just lift and spray underneath. Right, and then I give it a big old shake up. And I kind of run my fingers through it all now, and you're like, oh my God, she's messing it up. But I want it to look more natural. And then just sort of just fluff it into place, really, till you get it how you want it. And I sort of do a little bit of twisty around my fingers. There we go. And then always remember, spray underneath. Ta-da! And that's it. Any questions, pop them down below and I will do my best to help you. There we go. That's it.